Good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Good morning, madam. Thank you. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you very much. My dear students, I hope all of you are ready with your English literature textbook and notebook.
Notebook എടുക്കാൻ
English literature textbook and notebook. Okay. Yesterday we have completed understanding the entire lesson. That is lesson number 13, right? We have completed understanding the whole lesson. I'm sure that you all must be clear about everything that we have learned in that particular lesson. Are you? Those who are clear about the whole lesson, please give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up, those who have understood the entire lesson, the entire story about the animal picnic. Yes, okay, very good. Everybody is showing me a thumbs up. That's great. Good job. Today we will be learning the meanings of important selected words from the lesson. Before that, let us do a quick revision of what all we have learned in the lesson, and then we will continue with understanding and learning the meanings. All right?
Page number.
Yeah, I want all of you to be on page number 35. 35. Okay, let us do a quick revision. The story of the animal picnic begins with one fine day. The animals in the forest deciding to go on a picnic. One fine day, all the animals living in the forest decided to go on a picnic. Page number 35. 35. Okay. And Fox being a very clever animal, looked around him. He checked the weather for the day and he said, it's a very nice day for a picnic. When Fox decided to go on a picnic, all the other animals also agreed with him and all of them decided to go on a picnic. After keeping all their things, let us see what all did they take with them. The squirrels bring nuts. Squirrels, what did they bring? They bring the nuts. The rabbits bring juicy carrots. The rabbits bring juicy carrots. Then the fox brings fat grapes. And when all these food items were kept neatly in the picnic basket, this is the picnic basket. Their picnic baskets became full. They were full of all these food items brought by all the animals. Okay. Then the animals set off for the park. The meaning of set off means set off is to start on a journey. Set off means to start on a journey. Then, on the way, while they were going or walking towards the park, on the way, they come to a stream. Let me remind you that a small river is called a stream. A small river is called a stream. And on the stream, or specifically if we speak, the log was kept across the stream, across, from one side of it to the other side, across. The log was placed across the stream, L-O-G, log. This long piece of wood is called a log. Where was it placed? It was placed across the stream, from one side of the stream to the other side. Okay. Then the animals decided to cross the stream by climbing over the log. How did they decide to cross the stream? By climbing over the log. See the rabbits here? They have climbed onto the log or over the log and they are trying to cross the stream. Now, which animals were the first to climb? Before that, once again, the fox said, we must climb one after the other. climb over the log one after the other. And all the animals listened to the instructions given by Fox. They climbed onto the log one after the other, one by one. If everybody climbs together, what would happen? Yes. Aeon, unmute your device and tell me, what would happen if all the animals climbed onto the log together at the same time? What would happen?
Let's climb the log one.
Now, what will happen if all the animals climbed onto the log together? What would happen?
Fell down.
Will the log be able to take the weight of all the animals? Yes or no? If all the animals climbed over the log together, will the log be able to take the weight?
Yes.
Say yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, the log will be able to take the weight of all the animals together?
No.
No, it may not be able to take because that's a very old log, right? And when it is not able to take the weight, it will just break. It will break and all the animals may fall into the stream, into the water of the stream. Okay, so to avoid that from happening, Fox decided to climb the log one after the other. Fox decided that all the animals will climb over the log one after the other. Okay. Then the rabbits were the first to climb onto the log. But when they climbed, what happened? Aldrin, when the rabbits climbed onto the log, what happened?
They are
When the, yeah.
saved. They are saved.
No. What happened to them first?
They slip and fall.
Yes, they slipped and fell down into the river. But did anything happen to them?
No.
No. They were very quickly, very fast saved by the fox. Yes, they were very fast saved by the fox. Quickly means very fast. Very fast. Okay, Aldrin, very good.
Thank you.
Now, yeah, welcome. The animals started wondering how they can cross the stream. Who can tell me the meaning of wonder? Wonder. What does it mean? W-O-N-D-E-R. Wonder. Yes, Ishan? To wonder means to think. Yes, very good. All the animals started wondering. They started thinking. Now, how can they cross the stream? At that time, Ayan,
Yes, ma'am.
who found out a way out? Let me see whether you remember or not. When all the animals were thinking, how will we cross the stream? Then one of the animals,
The animals.
yeah, which animals got a new idea to cross the stream? A new idea. Which animals got the new idea, Ayan?
One day, one by
No, listen. When the rabbits slipped and fell down and they were saved by the fox, all the animals started thinking about different ways to cross the stream. Then which animals got the idea? Which animals got the new idea about how to cross the stream?
fox. Fox.
Yes, Esa.
Climbing over the log.
The squirrels, yes, the squirrels. Then the squirrels notice, very good, Esa. They notice that the log is hollow. Hollow means, what is the meaning of hollow? Harriet, unmute. What is the meaning of hollow? Hollow means?
But I was absent.
Hollow means when you remain absent, you need to watch the recorded sessions. Every time I tell you this, yes? Sivad, what is the meaning of hollow?
Empty.
Empty, very good. Hollow means empty. E-M-P-T-Y. Something that has nothing inside it. Empty. Nothing inside. Okay. And the squirrels also notice that there is space to walk through the hollow log. The log is hollow, so there is space to walk through. Okay, thank you, Sivad. Very good. And all the other animals were very happy for the squirrels because they had noticed something new and they had tried to find out a way to cross the stream. Then through the hollow log also, the animals crossed the stream one by one. One by one, or one after the other, all the animals cross through the hollow log, or from inside the hollow log, they cross and they reach the other side of the stream. That is, they reach the park without any more trouble and they were able to enjoy their picnic. I hope all of you have been able to understand. Yes, we have revised the entire lesson quickly now. Now let us try to learn the meanings. It is time for all of you to take out your notebook. Please take out your notebook, a new page of the notebook. Write lesson number 13. Take a new page. Take a new page. Today's date, 21/12/21. 21/12/21. Lesson 13. Lesson number 13. Meanings. Write the heading. Meanings. M-E-A-N-I-N-G-S. Meanings. Meanings. The first word meaning that we need to write is stream. Stream. S-T-R-E-A-M. Stream. Niveda, unmute your device and read the first word and its meaning.
Stream.
Yes. Spelling?
S-T-R-E-A-M.
Very good. Now tell me the meaning of the word.
A
Hmm.
small and near animal.
Oh, wait. No. Arrow. Narrow. Yes, narrow river. River. Yes. A small and narrow river is called a stream. A small and narrow river is called a stream. Now let me explain the meaning of this word to you. Narrow. Narrow. Okay. Now all of you stop writing. Please stop writing. Stop writing for 1 second and look here. This is a road. Imagine, this is a road. Okay. Road number 1. This is another road. Number 2. Now, which road has more space for people and vehicles to move? 1 or 2? Which has more space? Which has more space for people and vehicles to? 2. Yes, Sivad is showing 2. I saw that. Yes, very good. What about the others? 2. Yes. Road 2 has more space for people and vehicles to go, right? And road 1 has less space for people and vehicles to go. So, this road 1 will be called a narrow road. A road that has less space, narrow. And road number 2, which has more space, right? It will be called a wide road. Wide. It has more space. Did you understand the difference between narrow and wide? Which has less space. Okay? Now, wait, let us do a small exercise. Stop writing, stop writing. Please stop writing. Yes, very good. Now hold your hands close to it. Keep little gap. Little gap. Narrow. Repeat after me. Narrow. Narrow. Wide. Yes. Narrow. Wide. Narrow. Wide. Narrow. Wide. Narrow. Wide. Understood? So when there is less gap, what is the word that we use for it? Narrow. Narrow. Wide. Narrow. Wide. Did everybody understand the difference? Okay, very good. So, a small and narrow river is called a stream. Let me erase all this. After doing the actions, I'm sure all of you have understood the difference between the two words wide and narrow, right? Yes, when the gap is less, it is called narrow. When the gap is more, it is called wide. Wide. I want all of you to put a tick mark on all these 3 words on page number 36. Page number 36, your textbook only. Just put a tick mark on these 3 words. Stream, slip, and hollow. The second word that we are going to understand the meaning of is slip. S-L-I-P. Slip. The meaning of slip is to slide. To slide. To slide. To slide. And the third word that we are learning, going to learn the meaning of is hollow. Hollow, which means empty. E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. Hollow means empty. E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. Hollow means empty. Yes, Rahat? What happened? You want to say something?
I say one meaning.
Sorry?
I'm going to washroom.
What, my dear? Did everybody put a tick mark on these 3 words? Stream, slip, and hollow. A small and narrow river is called a stream. The meaning of slip is to slide. To slide. And hollow means empty. Empty. Now, I want all of you, each one of you, to write and learn the meanings of all these 3 words 5 times, now itself. Let me stop sharing, because these 3 word meanings are there in your textbook itself, right? All these 3 words. Did you put a tick mark on these 3 words? Word meanings? Yes. I want all of you to write and learn now. Yes, Rahat, what is it?
Share the board.
Share the board. I want you to take page number 36, Rahat.
Okay, ma'am.
These three word meanings are there. Take page number 36 of your textbook. Stream, slip and hollow. You have to write and learn all these three word meanings. And show it to me now itself, after writing. Darshak, unmute your device. Write slowly. Arnav, why are you not writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Darshak, read the first word and tell me its meaning. Read each word with its spelling.
Stream. Stream.
Stream, spelling. I want you to read the spelling and read the word.
S-T-R-E-A-M.
Mm.
Stream.
Stream. Yes. What is the meaning?
S. Small.
Hmm.
And.
Hmm.
Na.
Narrow. Narrow.
Narrow.
Hmm. A
River.
small and narrow
River.
river. Okay. Now read the spellings of all these words.
S.
Hmm.
S. M. M. S. M. A. L. L.
Small.
Small.
Hmm.
A-N-D. And.
Hmm.
N-A-R-R-O-W.
Hmm. How would you read that word?
Narrow.
Narrow. Yes. Narrow.
R-I-V-E-R.
Hmm.
River.
River. Yes. Very good. Say it once again, Darshak.
Stream. S. S. S.
Hmm.
M.
A
S.
small.
Small.
S-M-A-L-L. Small.
S. And N-D. And.
Hmm.
Narrow.
Narrow.
River.
River. Spelling.
R-I-V-E-R.
Okay. Very good. Very good, Darshak. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Anthony Naiju, unmute. Read the next word with the spelling and tell me its meaning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the next word? And why are you not writing? Arshika, also sit and write. Sit straight and write. Yeah. Read the second word.
N-O-G.
No. Did we put a tick mark on that word? No, we did not. The ticked words are these. I am sharing the screen once again. Those who have not put a tick mark on these three words, do it right away. Do it now. Come on.
2. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Put a tick mark on these three words. Stream, slip, and hollow. Only these three word meanings we have to learn.
S-L-I-P.
Yes. How would you read that word? S-L-I-P.
P.
Slip,
Slip.
not slipper. Slip.
Yeah.
Anthony, sit down. Sit. Yeah, sit properly. Now read. S-L-I-P. Slip.
Slip.
Look here, look here. S-L-I-P. Slip. S-L-I-P. Slip. Now read the meaning. What is the meaning?
1.
To slide. What is the spelling? T-O-2.
S-L-I-D-E. Slide.
Slide. Very good. Read it one more time. Anthony, sit properly and read. Yes. Read the word and its meaning. S-L-I-P, slip. What is the meaning?
To slide.
To slide. What is the spelling of slide?
E-S-L-I-D-E.
Slide. Okay. Okay, good, Anthony. Thank you. Now sit and write. I want to see you writing. I can see each one of you from here. Vedic, put the device properly. I cannot see you. Manha Fatima. Taman, write and learn. Arnav, write and learn. I'm going to ask each one of you the spellings. 5 times. 5 times. Not 1 time. Each word and its meaning you have to write 5 times. Now itself. Rasha, unmute your device. Rasha. Yes. Read the third word. The third selected word.
H-O-L-L-O-W. H-O-L-L-O-W.
How will you read that? Hollow. Hollow.
Hollow.
Hollow.
Hollow.
Hollow. Now read the meaning.
A.
Mm.
M.
Mm.
L.
Mm.
E.
Mm. Mm. A. M.
M.
Mm.
M.
Mm. P. T. Y. T. M. T. M. T.
M. T.
M. T.
M. T.
E. M. P. T. Y. M. T. M. T.
P. T. Y.
M. T. Yes. E. M. P. T. Y. M. T. M. T. Hollow means something that has nothing inside it. There is nothing inside it. It's called empty. Empty. Okay. Rasha. Okay. Good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Arnav, unmute your device. Read the first word and its meaning with the spellings. Harriet, are you writing and learning? Sit properly.
H-O-L-L-O-W.
Now, I said the first word and its meaning. First one. Stream.
Free.
What is the spelling of stream?
S-T-R-E-A-M.
Yes, very good. What is the meaning?
Mouth
Hmm.
and
N-A-R-R-O-W. Narrow. Narrow.
area river.
River. Very good. Read it one more time. Arnav. Now read the word first.
Stream.
Stream. Yes.
Small and
Narrow. N-A-R-R-O-W. Narrow.
river.
River. A small and narrow river. Okay, Arnav, tell me one thing. What is a small and narrow river called?
Stream.
What is a small and narrow river called?
Stream.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now sit and write and learn. I want to see everybody's notebook. 5 times each one. 5 times. Anthony, are you writing? Come on, write and learn. Muhammad Aideen, unmute. Read the second word and its meaning.
Yes.
Don't be lazy to write and learn.
Sleep. Sleep means to sleep. Slide.
To slide, yes. Read it one more time. S-L-I-P, slip.
Sleep means to slide.
Yes. What is the spelling of slip?
S-L-I-P. Slip.
Okay. The meaning?
Slip means to
Uh,
slide.
to slide. What is the spelling of slide?
S-L-I-D-E.
Yes. S-L-I-D-E, slide. Okay. The meaning of slip is to slide. To slide. Okay. Very good, Aidin. Thank you. Yes, Tirtha. Tirtha has completed the work. Very good. Very good. Vedic. Unmute to read the last word and its meaning. Sit straight and write. Yes, yes.
And
Empty. What is the spelling of hollow? Darshak, sit properly. Vedic, read the word with the spelling. H-O-L.
H-O-L-L-O-W.
W. Okay. How would you read that word? Hollow. Hollow.
Hollow.
Hollow.
Hollow.
Hollow.
Hollow.
Okay. What is the meaning of hollow?
Empty.
Empty. Yes. How would you spell that word?
S
E-M.
E M
P-T-Y.
P
P-T-Y.
D
Y. Empty. Say it again.
D
E-M.
E M
Not M. M.
M
P-T-Y.
P Y
Empty.
M
Empty. Empty. What is the meaning of hollow?
empty.
Empty. Yes. Very good, Vedic. Thank you. Anna, what is the matter? You're welcome, Vedic.
I read first meaning.
Yes, try to do it. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, read first.
S
Stream.
R E S
A-M.
R E A M stream.
Okay. The meaning is?
A small
Yes.
S S A
S-M-A-L-L. Okay, Ishan, very good. S-M-A-L-L, small.
and A-N-D and N-A-R-R-O-W.
O-W. Narrow.
narrow,
Narrow. River. Spelling
R-I-V-E-R, river.
R-I-V-E-R. River. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, now I want all those who have completed whatever work they have completed, show it to me. Anthony, hold the book properly. Did you write it yourself, Anthony? Bring it closer. Yeah, I can see that some of you have written only a few times. Some have completed writing 5 times. Okay, very good. Aaron, Richard, Aldrin, Haizam, Darshak, Sivad. Okay. Ayon, Ishan has shown me. Tirtha has shown. Henna. Okay, good. Yeah, those who have completed, very good. Arshika has started writing now. Yes, Arshika? Yes, right. Complete the work. Muhammad Aidin, very good. Those who have not completed the work, please complete it and then only get up from your place. All right? Each word and its meaning 5 times. Do it now. Do it, write it 5 times, read it and then only get up from your place. All right? Yes? Okay. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next class. Bye-bye. Bye.